Introduction. Hello and welcome to our video about one of the most influential scientists in history, Sir Isaac Newton. Newton lived in the 17th and early 18th centuries and is best known for his groundbreaking work in physics and mathematics. In this video, we'll explore Newton's life, his most important discoveries, and his ongoing legacy in science. Early life and education. Isaac Newton was born in 1643 in England, and he grew up in a family of farmers. As a child, Newton was curious about the world around him and loved to experiment. He went to school in a nearby town and showed a particular talent for mathematics. When Newton was 18, he went to study at Cambridge University. There, he continued to excel in mathematics and science. He learned about the work of other great thinkers, including Galileo and Kepler, and began to develop his own theories about the universe. The laws of motion. One of Newton's most famous contributions to science was his work on the laws of motion. He developed 3 laws that explained how objects move in the world around us. The first law, known as the law of inertia, states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion, unless acted on by an outside force. The second law, the law of force and acceleration, explains how the force acting on an object affects its motion. And the third law, the law of action and reaction, explains how every action has an equal and opposite reaction. These laws were revolutionary in their time, and they helped to lay the foundation for modern physics. Today, they are still fundamental to our understanding of the physical world. Gravity and the Principia. Another major contribution of Newton's was his work on gravity. According to legend, Newton was inspired to study gravity after watching an apple fall from a tree. He wondered why the apple fell straight down instead of sideways or upwards. Through his experiments, Newton discovered that all objects in the universe are attracted to one another in a predictable way. He also developed a mathematical formula, known as the inverse square law, to explain how this attraction works. Newton's work on gravity led to the publication of his book, The Principia, in 1687. In it, he explained not only his theory of gravity, but also his laws of motion and other scientific discoveries. The Principia was a groundbreaking work that transformed our understanding of the physical world. Later life and legacy. After the publication of the Principia, Newton became one of the most famous scientists in the world. He went on to teach at Cambridge University and continued to make important contributions to science and mathematics throughout his life. Today, Newton's legacy is still felt in science and beyond. His laws of motion and theory of gravity continue to be fundamental to our understanding of the universe. His work also influenced many other fields, including engineering, astronomy, and even philosophy. Conclusion. In conclusion, Sir Isaac Newton was a brilliant scientist whose contributions continue to shape our understanding of the world. His laws of motion and theory of gravity revolutionized physics, and his work laid the foundation for many other scientific discoveries. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of Newton's life and work. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos about science and history.